Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. Greatly, greatly appreciate it. I have my Macy's beauty box for the month of February 2025. I still want to say 2024. This, you sign up on Macy's.com. It's $15 a month. There is tax. I think I pay like $15.90 a month for this. This is how it always comes. Let's take everything out. Okay, paper. You do get a little Macy's card, or like little paper here. I have $5 off my next $20 beauty purchase. You can get 10 off your next $40 beauty purchase, and I use them quite frequently. I do shop at Macy's, a lot of times .com. I went into a Macy's store maybe a couple months back, and it was horrible. Like Macy's.com is way better. Sorry for the runny nose, but once again, I'm getting sick. I'm like, I have not been out of the house. I don't know how I could be getting sick. I wanted to share with you, I'm wearing my Tom Ford lipstick, and this is, I think, N2 Dolce. This has become a favorite of mine. This is the tone, the shade of it. And on it, it's dark, but it's comfortable. It stays, it wears for a long time. It's creamy. I just love it. And I will buy that. When it runs out, I will buy that exact color. So the theme for this is Care Package from Cupid. Always comes wrapped up in pink tissue paper. I don't think I'd want to work for Macy's to have to wrap all these up, honestly. I mean, I wouldn't, you know, I don't think I'd want to work for a department store like that anyway. But, so let's see. So we have a little paper here that came in it from Bumble and Bumble. So I'm assuming it's this right here. So this is Bumble and Bumble Thickening Plumping Mask. Volumizing in-shower treatment. Expands each hair strand for full-on all-day volume. You don't necessarily need volume. But not bad to have. Ooh, am I liking this? Yup, yup. All right, so let's, well, I don't know which one to do first. I'm going to do this one from Tarte. And this is the Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump. And it's a tiny little sample, but I have quite a few of these. So this is a tiny little sample here. Oh, so it's actually like a little lipstick. Huh. Right here. And this one, I'm not going to swatch this. I'm trying to think which one this is, if it tells me. All-in-one Plumping Balm, Gloss, Color, and Hydrating Treatment. Does it state the color on the front? I don't know. It just says, oh, Mixed Berries is this one. I don't think I have this. I have quite a few Tarte lip products. Let me see if I have. Like, up to this point, from here, from these Man Eaters over, these are all Tarte. I do like their products. So this is the Juicy Lip. So that's a different rose lip cream. Maracuja lip. I don't think that's berries. I have my magnifier because these are so small. That's strawberry. I'm going to sneeze. Excuse me. What'd I tell you? That's a bomb. I don't think I have that. And these are just little samples. No, I don't have that one. Okay, that's exciting. Let's put this back. And then down there I have a few of the NARS ones. Like, you know, I can tell by the base what they are. So, so that's really nice. That's a, you know, perfect little size. Here from Lancome, we have a mascara base. It looks like a booster. And this is Lancome. Right here, a booster. Probably share that because you know, it's just, I can only use so much. And I have a ton of mascaras and all that kind of stuff. This should be a lipstick from YSL, right? I think so. Could be a little mini. I have quite a few of them too. Let's open this. Wow. Nice packaging. And this says, it just has numbers on it. Oh, that's really pretty right there. Should I swatch? Just do a little swatch. Oh, that feels nice. Right there. Oh, I like that. And you get, you know, that's quite a bit of product for a sample. Like YSL, I just don't like the price tag of them. That's cute. You know what? I'm going to swatch this then. If I swatch that one, I might as well swatch the Tarte one and see what it looks like. I'll put it next to it. This is going to be, should be lighter. So this is a true like balm right there. I can see myself wearing that quite frequently. Oh, just got it all over the place. Use the tissue paper to wipe it off. So that's really nice, the balm and the YSL. I'm happy for those two right off the bat. And then here we have in this little plain box. Don't know what this is. Right here, it's just like a little mirror, maybe. Oh, that's really cute. It's soft. And this should just open like a... Should. Does it? Okay. And that is a mirror. Right? Just got to peel the... So it's a mirror inside. Just have to peel the papers off. That's cute. Cute little bonus there. I'm not mad at that either. That's kind of cute. And then the last thing here is Laura Geller. A blush palette, Blooming Rose. I have no idea if I have this already. I will look real fast, since my blusher right next to me. I should know by, and this is what packaging looks like. I should be able to tell. Oops. So here's the shades right here. I'm not going to swatch because let's see if I have, where's the blush? Of course, it's one over. That's Laura Geller highlighter. I know I have Laura Geller blushes. I don't think I have that one. What is this? This is Laura Geller. Let's see, I have one, and this is Rose Gold's Tropical Grand. No, I don't have that one. Okay, let's get everything back where it was. Try to keep that as neat as possible there. Okay, so that's a nice one to have, the two blush. And this gives you a better idea of the shades, like a coral and more on the orangey coral sides, which is not bad. I'm going to get rid of this tissue paper. Use the tissue paper to wipe the lip gloss off my hand. Okay, get rid of that. So that's not bad. We have a Laura Geller Duo for blush, a little mirror, the Bumble and Bumble plumping mask for your hair, the little lash booster from Lancome, and then YSL and Tarte lip products. I don't remember if that's what I saw on their site. I honestly don't remember. Maybe I did because I saw the Laura Geller and I thought, okay, that would be a win right there for me. So let me know what you think of this box. Do you get Macy's? Are you happy with it? I could do without the plumping hair mask. And I would have rather had another makeup item. But not bad. 5 items, and then this is like a little bonus. But it's kind of cute because it's soft. I thought it would be like a hard outer shell, but it's a soft one, and that is cute. Just small enough just to throw in your bag, make it work for you when if you need to touch up. Thank you for watching, everyone. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.